Welcome. In front of me I have the Google Pixel 6 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can apply screen protection tempered glass to this phone. Now, I'll be using a flat one, unlike the probably majority of you, which will probably try to apply the curved one, which will fit better on this display, considering it has these rounded edges right here. So mine will not cover those. It's just a flat screen protector. Now this will change how you apply the glass a little bit, depending on what brand you buy. It will overall change how it looks like altogether. Some of the curved ones, the curved tempered glasses that you apply to screens, will come with a specific kind of cage where you just drop your phone into it, and you then drop like this liquid on the display, and you basically place in that form your tempered glass, and it should automatically just drop in a correct position. Additionally, then you need to use some UV light to harden it. This is not like this. This is just a simple tempered glass, which, like I mentioned, will not cover the curves of the device itself. So anyway, to get started with the tempered glass that you got, you will find inside, there we go, these wet wipes and dry wipes. And to be completely honest, you can mess around with them, but let's be honest, here you go, you'll just see in a second, the sheer size of them is astonishingly small, which is what she said. And there we go. And additionally, this wipe is dry. Oh right, I took out the dry one. My bad, I'm an idiot. Though, that being said, sometimes the wet wipes are dry anyway because they're kind of old. And this one seems to be moist, so that's good. So there we go, look at that. We got a super gigantic cloth that we can wipe our device with. So using that, you basically want to get rid of any kind of dirt, and then you would use the dry wipe to basically dry it off, like so. But to be honest, I kind of despise this, so I'm just gonna grab something more logical, like a microfiber cloth. So when wiping your device, you want to basically get rid of any kind of smudges on your device. Don't worry about the dust at the moment. You do want to worry about it overall, but not at this moment. So what you want to do right now is get your tempered glass. If you have basically the same thing as I do, you'll have only one on here. The one is, you peel that off, and whatever you're peeling off right now is the thing that you throw away. You will be holding the actual glass in your other hand. So basically this is the thing that you throw away, and this side is what we want to apply. So anyway, I'm gonna move it to the side. Now the way I apply my tempered glass, which works for me, is by basically first placing one end on the device, making sure that it is basically lined up correctly right here evenly, and then using my fingers by pinching it, I also put them on a display a little bit, just so I can position the glass in a perfectly like middle position of the display, keeping the bezels basically the same size. And from there I just kind of drop it on and it will start gluing itself. So that is how I go about it. Now that I've made the display kind of dirty, I'm gonna wipe it again. So there we go. It's now completely clean. You can basically see as pristine, or as almost pristine as it gets. So now that we're ready, you want to grab your microfiber cloth, have it ready, because what you want to do is peel this off, wipe the display just so there is no dust, and then immediately afterwards apply this. So peel, there we go, and you can see that it's starting to glue itself to the display. I'm not even pressing it, it's just doing it on its own. So there we go. It looks like it didn't go all the way on the curves of the display, which you can see kind of here, so you can help it out. Additionally, you'll probably noticed that some of the tempered glass that come with, that you basically buy, have like these weird dots on them, and just kind of dots like of water, but they're extremely hard to clean off. That's completely normal. It's a liquid that they use when they're cutting them into shape, and you basically just need to keep on wiping it off till it actually wipes off. You can use some kind of, I don't know, liquid to try to clean it off if you want to, meaning the tempered glass, not the phone. But in this case, it's fairly good. So there's almost nothing visible on here. So anyway, that is how you would apply your tempered glass. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.